Did you know a CIA director who tried to expose the agency's darkest secrets was found dead in a way that makes no sense? William Colby was getting ready to blow the whistle on how the CIA made money from drug trafficking around the world. He was planning to tell journalists everything about secret operations and dirty money flowing through big banks. Then in 1996, Colby went missing during what they called a canoeing accident. But here's what doesn't add up. His body was found a week later in perfect condition, which forensic experts say is impossible after that long in water. His canoe was discovered miles away from where he supposedly fell in. Witnesses saw multiple cars at his house the night he vanished. Colby had already exposed CIA assassination programs before. He was fighting against black budget operations that nobody was supposed to know about. The evidence points to murder, not an accident. They silenced him before he could reveal how the agency partnered with criminals worldwide to fund their secret missions through drug money.